Hi guys, I just found a mobile app where you can see your bill, your running bill, your current bill sa Davao Lite using your Android phone by downloading a mobile app. And also sa mobile app, you can pay through online transactions and other payment methods para sa inyuhang bill, sa inyuhang kuryente. So, on this video, I will show you and share how to run the application. So let's check this out. So I hope this is helpful for everyone. Pretty sure helpful ni para sa tanan. Check this out. Hi guys, I am scrolling sa Facebook and I just saw my friend posting about Davao Lite. So I think nagka-interest ko since ang bill is ako nakaayo on quarantine na panahon karon. So i-check nato if legit this is. So check your monthly bill in just one tap. Davao Lite introduces mobile app. Okay, mobile app allows you to check your monthly bill with your payment history, know your bill charge. So, mag-download daw og mobile app, okay, para makita daw nato ang bill, which is good, at least na ani ang Davao Lite karon. So, ako to ang i-check diri sa to ang Google Play Store. Chat tato ng type Davao Lite mobile app. Ayan, so kaning ngay hangin-hangin tulo ka buok na naka circle of art kana mo ni siya. So try na to install and ato ang i-check if it's legit kay nervous naman pug ko sa kuang bill no. So last month yan na ako disconnection notice kulba kayo. So check na to if pila na this May, apil ang May. Ayan, so I hope gamay inyong bill kay ang ako ang bill hastang dakuha. Yan. So regarding sa kuryente daw, so anything that heats and that cools mo do na ang mahal na mga charges na appliances. Okay, so na-install na nato ang mobile app, early access sa Davao Lite. So ito ang i-check kung working ba gid siya. Okay, so username, email address. So kailangan siya og username and email address. gmail.com. And for the password, yes, ato ang ako sa ding mag-register ko kay syempre dili pwede na makita ang ako ang password, you know. So I'll get back to you and then I will try to loop you pag nana ko sa sulod. Thank you. And I'm back. So ako ang gitry kong username and a password and it's not working. But then I found out kailangan din ka mag-register. So as you can see, diri sa tunga na nakabutang na register now. So mag-register tayo. So duha ilang option na sila Visayan Electric and Davao Lite. So since I'm from Davao City, so sila ang ato ang distributor sa kuryente. So dirita sa Davao Lite. Okay, so terms and conditions. So din nato na basahon, basta okay na. So email address, and then your name, my phone number, username required, and then may mga password and password. Okay, so for the password, yes, I'll get back to you and then I'll try to log in. And ako ang i-loop ang video after which. Okay, so please stay. Okay, so once you submitted your registration, they will send you your code. So sa inyong email. So i-check inyong email and then for me, we have here 175172. So 175172. Ito ang i-confirm for verification. Ayun. So, account name. Ayan, so may option utility, it's beside electric and Davao Light. Account number, so pakikiin na lang sa inyong account number. Ang inyong account number is makita ninyo dito sa taas, upper left. Okay, upper left sa inyong bill. Ang inyong bayro nun is nasa lower right. Okay, so upper left ang sa inyong bill. Ito na, registering your account, loading profile. In fairness, paspas ang ilahang application. So, ayun na. So, automatic makita dayon ninyo ang inyong bill. So, ang bill karon is 8,606.44 agaray. So, kasakit. So, at least you will know in advance how much should be your bill. So, before maabot ang inyuhang papel, okay, sa bill sa inyuhang balay. Okay? And then, magamit na po nato ni in a long run. So, napod sila yung mga payment methods. So, for the payment method, na sila DRA, BDO, BPI, Citibank, HSBC, Metrobank, Security Bank, Union Bank. Payment centers, pwede din. Ayan, that includes To-Go Express, Banknet, Bayad Center, Cebuana, Luilier, Click sa 7-Eleven, Coins PH, okay, para sa mga bitcoins. Pwede gihapon siya EasyPay, GCash, Grab, Lazada, Luilier, and Paymaya. Alright, so hopefully pwede ning mga online transaction na payments no para dili na kayo maglinya-linya sa gawas daghan tao. Okay, so na po yung profile and then you can add another account, I guess, para ma-check po ninyo ang account. Basig na mo yung mga laing balay na pwede na kamo magbayad. Yan. So, happy ko kay na-share na ako ning mobile app sa inyo ha, and it's very easy to use and to access. So, pwede yata ni diri online payment. I will try online payment soon and dili ko happy sa ako ang bill. So, try ninyo guys sa inyong cellphone for easy access para sa to ang mga Davao Light transactions and billings. So if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and then comment down below. Okay? Comment down below. Pasensya na, ang ako ang matabang lang yun sa inyo ha is how to operate sa app. Okay? Pero inyong bill, marag kita-kita lang yun magbayad-bayad ani. Okay? Salamat. Please don't forget to subscribe. Joxology, Biyahe ni Jox.